Hi and welcome to SiteManager.io. I'm Angelina and today I'll be showing you how to add structures to your landing page. A structure is a feature in the design engine that allows you to bring together a collection of elements in a container. This is similar to how you would group elements that belong together in design tools such as Figma or Photoshop. To incorporate a structure inside your landing page, simply add a section by clicking the plus icon in between two sections and select Design Component. A common section in which structures are often used is Content with Image. For this, add blocks to your empty section. Next, select Basic and then Content from the structure blocks and Image from the element blocks. What's unique to structures is that you can set the layout to your liking at the section level, component level, and element level. Expand the Properties panel on the right side and set the section layout to either grid, horizontal flex, or vertical flex. Now, add elements to your content structure. Frequently used elements include a CTA button, some text, and of course, a title. Expand the Layers panel on the left side to get a clear overview of your element. In the Properties panel on the right-hand side, you can switch your element layout settings. Now that the content structure is ready, you can add an image to your image component. Now, add a layout styling at the component level. For example, by setting both components to 50% width. This is your playground. Explore the settings that work best for your content. Finally, thanks to the accessible layout settings, the structure feature also allows you to easily make your section and corresponding components responsive. I hope you're as excited about structures as we are. Stay tuned for our next videos and good luck!